Hello guys, Mauro. Hi, how are you? So today we'll talk about the non-farm payrolls, and yeah, we have high impact events, high impact indicators, unemployment rate from the United States, so non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate from Canada, Canadian employment change. So high impact events later today in 4 minutes. So that's why first of all, before we'll start this session, please read the disclaimer. There is disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks, yeah, before trading, before investing, yeah, on the financial markets. So also, if you have more questions, I don't know, about subscription services or any other questions, you can email support, yeah. Will you send any more signals on the VIP today? Okay, so I will close this window here. Read disclaimer. Please read it, guys. It's important. So let's take a look. Let's take a look, guys, on the economic calendar. So I don't know, Mauro, maybe if I'll identify something really good, yeah. But right now, it's risky to front run the U.S. data dump because, as I've said, all these, so non-farm employment change from the United States, high impact event, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, and also if you're trading the Canadian dollar, also US oil, or in my opinion, also the Canadian data could have a big impact also on the US dollar, on the dollar index. That's why it's risky right now. That's why maybe I'll wait for the economic data before I will take action. So yeah, earlier I've talked about silver, guys, and I've said that I want confirmation. Unfortunately, the price is still there. I would have liked to see here test, retest, yeah, before developing a leg higher. So right now I don't have something really good in silver. So let's take a look on the dollar index. So unfortunately, yeah, unfortunately the dollar index registered only a false breakout, a new false breakout above 103.82 static resistance key level, above this former high. Right now it has dropped below this former low, immediate low here, and also below this downtrend line. And if you remember, guys, I've said today that as long as it stays above this downtrend line, it could resume its growth. Or I've said that a new higher high value breakout could signal potential growth. So yeah, the dollar index invalidated an upside continuation in the short term, but most likely it will register sharp movements in the short term after the US data dump. So you have to be careful if you're not an experienced trader. So let's take a look also on gold before the US data. Okay, USD gold as well. It tries to rebound only because the dollar index retreated, dropped it. So I'll wait here to see how it will maybe react here around this resistance zone, resistance area. And yeah, maybe the price action signaled that the downside movement is over, but this could still be something like a channel or something. That's why I'll wait to see how the US the price of gold will react. One moment. So one moment, because we'll have so US, so non-farm payrolls better than expected. Okay, one moment, because I will update the groups. One moment. So better than expected non-farm payrolls. Yeah. Also, let's refresh the economic calendar here, and let's take a look. Dollar index. I believe maybe the dollar index. Yeah, dollar index drops. Yeah. One moment. So, unfortunately, yeah. Unfortunately, for the US dollar, the unemployment rate remained unchanged at 3.6%. Yeah, even if the specialist expected the potential drop to 3.5. Yeah, so worse than expected. Average hourly earnings worse than expected, so only a 0.3% growth in April versus 0.4% expected. And yeah, here mixed data from Canada. 5.2% as expected. Unemployment rate, employment change worse than expected. So let's see how the markets will react. So non-farm employment change better than expected, 428,000 versus 390,000. So let's take a look here. Yeah, a temporary drop. Let's wait and let's take a look again. Gold, and I will try to take a look on all markets. Yeah, right now the price of gold slips lower from this high. Let's take a look. Silver, yeah, it has retreated, but I really need strong confirmation here in silver, because no, I don't want to do anything here, because yeah, the pressure is still high. The bias is bearish. Where is the signals for today? Do you already have an entry for silver? No, I don't have an entry for silver right now. And Hamoud, Shamil, where is the signals for today? So as you already know, Orlando had two trades today in Euro USD and the New Zealand dollar US dollar, and he closed his position. Actually, Euro USD reached his first take profit. 1.2% growth in our real account here. So yeah, we had trades today, and Orlando shared his trades into the VIP group, and also I believe that he sent also Euro USD with the first target into the free group. So yeah, we had the trades for today, and yeah, let's hope that I will really that I will catch something right now during this webinar. So in the short term, unfortunately, Euro USD. And also, guys, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me your time frame or something before I will take a look. So unfortunately, Euro USD failed here to stabilize below the uptrend line here, below the channel's support, failed to approach to reach the former lows. And right now it has rallied only because the dollar index retreated. So I'll wait here because I don't want to do anything here right below resistance. Okay, so Orlando was short here. Yeah, he catched this sell-off downside movement today, and he made 1.2%. Yeah, in our real account. So yeah, I'll wait on this market because. Yeah, unfortunately, in my opinion, after making here a false breakout, and let's take a look on 4 hour on the dollar index. So Hamoud, is there any entry for now? Are you a VIP member, Hamoud? So here on 4 hour, you can see something like a major bearish engulfing, which could signal that I don't know, maybe the dollar index is exhausted, and it could signal that it could slip lower in the short term. And right now, after mixed economic data, I don't know, let's wait and see, because yeah, we have strong resistance here, strong upside obstacle, 103.65, 103.82. So yeah, let's wait, and maybe I will look for potential US dollar shorts in the short term if the price continues to, if the dollar index continues to drop here. Okay, so yeah, I'll wait here. Let's take a look again. So British pound, US dollar. I will take a look also on US equities. DC, I sent you an email, wanted to join the VIP group, but the April discount code wasn't working, so I sent an email, but didn't get a response. So DC, yeah, we don't have a discount right now, a promo code. We don't have a promotion right now. So yeah, one moment. So if you want to join the VIP group, guys, you can access that link. I sent the link into the YouTube chat, and also you can access the link posted right below this video. And for £35 per month, you can become a VIP member. So yeah, right now we don't have a discount code or something. So yeah, what strategy are you using? Yeah. One moment, guys, I have to check something. Okay, so and also DC, if you sent an email to support, please wait, because there are thousands of emails, and yeah, they will come back to you. Okay, they will reply. And but you have to be patient, because there are a lot of emails, and yeah, they will sort you out when they will read your email. So British pound versus the US dollar. Yeah, we'll take a look. Mr. Nobody, Australian dollar, US dollar on 1 hour. But please tell me what we are looking at on that market on 1 hour. Okay, thank you. US dollar, Canadian dollar, 30 minutes. Yeah, but also there, please tell me something about yeah. So British pound, US dollar. Yeah, we had here something like a flag, like an up channel, as a potential downside continuation pattern, but unfortunately it has failed here, maybe to retest maybe the broken uptrend line before resuming its growth. Is there any entry for now? I am a VIP member. When I will if I will decide to place a trade, yeah, Hamoud, if I will decide to place a trade, to open a trade for myself, I will share my trade into the VIP Telegram group. So if you want to follow my trades, you will have, yeah, my trades there. Okay, so as long as I don't have something really good, no, I will not place a trade. I will not open a trade. So yeah, right now it's too late to go short here on this market, on the British pound versus the US dollar. That's why I will look for something else. Yeah, because yeah, maybe we had something here, but it was maybe it was risky, or actually personally maybe I would have liked to see here retest before dropping deeper. Yeah, so US dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe let's take a look here on this market. US dollar, Japanese yen. So okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you as well. So US dollar, Japanese yen. But now, because this could still be only a temporary drop, a temporary retreat, it could be only something like a flag or something in the short term. Because as long as it stays above the 23.6 and above these former highs, yeah. Burak, I become a new VIP member this week. How many trades we should expect per week approximately? No, this is wrong, guys. This is wrong. For you to expect, okay, it's up to you, Burak. If you want to place 10 trades per day, it's fine. Okay, it's up to you. It's your trading account. It's your call. But personally, I will not send trades only because you want to trade every day or something. When I have something really good and I'm working on a new strategy, and Orlando also sent 2 trades today, yeah, actually last night for today. So yeah, when we'll have something, we'll send, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades per day, but maybe there are days when we'll maybe when I will not send anything, because if I don't have a high probability trade, I don't want to trade. Okay, this is me, and it's up to you. If you want to trade, I don't know, to open 10 trades per day, it's up to you. GBP US dollar sell. So I've talked about GBP US dollar. I don't have something there. Yeah, right now here on US dollar Japanese yen, unfortunately, it has failed to stabilize below the 23.6 here. I'll wait, because as long as it stays inside of my pitchfork here below the upper medium line, yeah, test retest, it could still drop, but only if the dollar index will drop, yeah. And also yen basket, let's take a look. Yen basket, in my opinion, it is not important how many trades or how many trades I'm placing, or how many setups I have per week or per day. For me, it's important how many profitable trades or how many high probability setups I will trade. Okay, for me it's not important, because maybe you think that if you will open 10 trades, yeah, you will make more money, or you will close them in profit or something. But no, for me it's important to look only for high probability trades. Yeah, and yeah, I'm waiting for high probability trades, because when I don't have something, I don't want to trade. So yen basket right now, yeah, if you remember, I've talked about this former low here, 8,096, only test retest. It has dropped below this uptrend line. So I'm looking here on the yen basket only because if the yen basket will drop deeper, then maybe the Japanese yen could depreciate versus its rivals. So I will take a look on Japanese yen pairs to see if I'll identify something. That's why US dollar Japanese yen now. Yeah, so let's take a look. US dollar Canadian dollar. I will try to answer to your questions, because someone asked me about this market. So right now we don't have something in US dollar Canadian dollar. Sideways movement here, and it is located right below this former highs, resistance zone, resistance area. Maybe here on US dollar Canadian dollar, I would like to see an extended range here, and an upside breakout could signal potential continuation, and I don't know, sideways movement and the value breakdown here below the lower medium line and below 1.2813 could signal potential sell-off. Right now we don't have a clear direction. Actually US dollar Canadian dollar is bullish, but right now in the short term it moves sideways. Okay, US dollar Swiss franc. Maybe here, let's take a look. Maybe we can catch something here. So this market, and as long as the dollar index is bullish, this market is bullish as well. US dollar versus the Swiss franc, and this could be only a temporary drop, temporary decline. Here, let's take a look here. So yeah, maybe we'll have something here. So this flag could represent an upside continuation pattern. Okay, upside continuation pattern. but I need an entry level right now, and that's why let's take a look. So 15 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I would have liked to see something here like maybe I'll wait here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Maybe I'll wait to see how it will react, maybe here around this uptrend line, and maybe I will trade only a valid breakout here right now, because right now maybe, yeah, this candle here signaled strong upside pressure, but it's still risky, maybe, in my opinion. Yeah, dollar index, only because, why it's risky, only because the dollar index is here right below this, yeah, downtrend line. That's why it's risky. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it has found the support here on the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork. But yeah, because personally I need confirmation on the dollar index. I need confirmation that the dollar index will jump higher again. So only something like this scenario could signal potential upside continuation here on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. I will come back later in a few minutes. I will try to take a look on all markets. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, the bias is still bearish here on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. But Australian dollar, US dollar, someone asked me about this market as well. 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour, on 1 hour. So yeah, strong rally, but also here the bias is still bearish. Yeah, on Australian dollar, US dollar. But I don't think I have a setup here, because so if it stays here below the weekly pivot point, maybe I will look for something below 0.7120, but yeah, only false breakout with great separation. But right now I don't have a setup. I don't have a setup. Yeah, and maybe I will have an opportunity only. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's keep an eye here, because so here we have resistance, static resistance, only false breakout. But maybe here I would like to see, I don't know, something like this here, test retest before coming back down or something. But right now is located right above the medium line, which represents dynamic support here right now in the short term, 5 minutes. 1 hour again. Maybe I will draw, sorry, I will delete all my drawings here. So maybe I'll look for potential US dollar longs. Let's take a look here on the dollar index again. Will the non-farm payrolls affect the market a lot, and will that mean there will be more signals? So you need to understand that personally I'm not sending signals. I'm not sending trading signals, because I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so please understand that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not sending trading signals or recommendations. I'm not sending trading recommendations. I'm sharing only my trades. Okay, Orlando is sharing his trades, and if you want to follow my trades, Orlando's trades, it's fine. And of course, if you want to follow also our trade management, it's fine as well. So yeah, there will be more trades, but I don't want to open trades, to place trades only because you want more trades. Okay, I will open trades and I will share trades only when I have a high probability setup. Okay, so dollar index, let's go back. US dollar, Swiss franc. US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, as I said, this could still be only a temporary retreat, temporary drop. But maybe I don't want to go long right below this downtrend line, because it could register only false breakouts, yeah, and then it could come back down. Let's take a look if we'll use this now. And yeah, the non-farm payrolls had an influence and a big impact in the short term, because let's take a look again on the dollar index. So the dollar index was here, and right now it could invalidate it could invalidate a potential deeper drop, and it could jump higher. So that's why I'll keep an eye also on the dollar index, on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's take a look here. So right now it has reached this resistance, my resistance here, represented by the medium line, and maybe I will look for something. Personally, I like to trade based on Confluence. I'm using a lot of tools, guys. Yeah, I'm using Pitchfork. Yeah, I'm using price action. I'm using Fibonacci. I'm using I don't know, static resistance, dynamic resistance, static support, dynamic support. Yeah, I'm using a lot of tools. I don't know, maybe divergence. Because yeah, I need confirmation before I will go long or short on a specific market. So I'll wait here, because maybe I want to go long. Okay, I want to go long here because the dollar index is also bullish, but right now I'll wait to see how it will react around that downtrend line. So let's take a look also on US equities before I will take action. Yeah, on US equities, guys, when the dollar index increases, when the US dollar appreciates, US equities could drop. So US 100, someone asked me about this market. Yeah, if you remember, maybe when the price was here, I've talked about this downtrend line. I've talked about maybe a potential deeper drop as long as it stays within this down channel below the downtrend line. But right now is traded right above this former low. 12,713.4. So no, I don't have it's bearish. Okay, this market is bearish as long as the US dollar continues to appreciate, as long as the US dollar appreciates, and as long as the dollar index continues to grow. Let's take a look on US 30. Yeah, same here. Only a temporary rebound here, but right now it's too late to maybe to go short here around these levels. US 500. For me, it's still right above support, and that's why I don't want to do anything here, because it could register only false breakdowns, test retest before coming back higher. So no, I don't have something on US equities right now. Silver, let's take a look on silver again to see if we, yeah, the pressure is high, and I believe the price of gold dropped it as well. Yeah, but unfortunately I don't have a setup to trade here on gold or on silver right now. let's take a look also. Let's take a look also. First of all, before I will, yeah, break out here. But as I've said, maybe I would like to see. I would like the price to confirm its breakout here. Test retest here of the broken downtrend line of the medium line here before extending its growth. Okay, on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Maybe I'll have the confirmation during this live session, or maybe later, or on Monday. But yeah, I don't want this to be only a false breakout. I don't want this breakout to be invalidated and the price to come back down. That's why I didn't open at a long position, even if the bias is bullish. Okay, so let's take a look also Bitcoin first of all. So about Bitcoin, guys, unfortunately the price of Bitcoin failed to stay here above 37,169, 37,595 above the uptrend line. So this breakout, aggressive breakout here on Bitcoin, signaled potential deeper drop, downside continuation. So I don't know. In my opinion, Bitcoin is vulnerable to drop deeper or something, but yeah, in the short term we cannot exclude the temporary growth, rebounds, test retest before extending its sell-off. So US dollar versus the Swiss franc again. Because the reason why, please take a look here, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc retreated after jumping above the downtrend line. And yeah, as you already know, maybe in the past we made these kind of mistakes, maybe to trade potential breakouts and not to wait for valid breakouts or something, right? So right now that's why I'll wait here for confirmation on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's invite maybe more members. Let's invite more members. Yeah. Okay, so because you can see here, I've said earlier that this could still be only a false breakout. That's why I didn't want it to go long from here, and that's why I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait for confirmation, for strong confirmation, and yeah, maybe, yeah, let's take a look. But let's take a look on 1 hour. And on 4 hour to see yeah, so we have this former high here as key level. Yeah, so unfortunately we have that key level there. So we have 0.990101 as key level. That's why I'll wait here. Because right now, if I will decide maybe to place a buy stop here, okay, above this high, above these former highs, I need to use as a stop loss. I will have to hide maybe my stop loss here below this low. Okay, so that's why maybe I would like to see a value breakout, yeah, for the price to jump to close to stabilize above the downtrend line, and then maybe I will look for longs here, and I will place my stop loss here, okay, below potential new lows. Yeah, that's why I want to see a valid breakout before I will take action on this market. Okay. Yeah, so I've said DC. I've said that a strong confirmation for me is this. Okay, either the price, if the price comes back down to test, retest, register false breakdowns, yeah, to confirm strong upside pressure. Maybe I will have a confirmation here at the bottom of this channel, and maybe I will look for longs here, or I don't know if it makes a very breakout here, it could signal potential upside continuation. But also I've said that we have a key level, former high 0.9901. That's why I'll wait for a strong confirmation. Okay, and also I want strong confirmation on the dollar index. Okay, on the dollar index, because we had a rebound, and right now maybe it could test retest the downtrend line before jumping higher. And yeah, I will keep an eye on this market, on US dollar versus the Swiss franc, because maybe I will place a trade live today, or during this webinar, or later. Yeah, any live trade. We talked about US dollar versus the Swiss franc, but right now I'm still waiting for confirmation, because US dollar versus the Swiss franc, it has registered only a false breakout. Okay, only false breakout. So yeah, I will take a look also on other markets. I will take a look on Japanese yen, because so yeah, before I will take a look on Japanese yen, let's take a look on so US 100. I talked about US 100, and I've said that that the bias is bearish, but I don't have a setup. I don't want to sell it here right above these former lows. Yeah, I don't want to sell it here, and maybe only a valid breakdown or something could signal potential deeper drop. So that's why I don't have something in US 100. And again, guys, in my opinion, as long as or actually, if the dollar index will continue to grow, if the US dollar will appreciate versus its rivals, yeah, US equities could drop deeper. So let's take a look also on US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Sorry, US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Maybe we'll find something here, like a potential long setup, buying opportunity. 1 hour. Let's take a look on 1 hour. So this area, these former highs as support. Yeah, maybe we'll have something here, but so please take a look here. Yeah, opinion on Euro USD. Yeah, I talked about that market. I will take a look again. It stands below resistance. That's why I don't have a setup right now on that market. I want to build something here, like to see if I have a setup. To see if I'll have a long setup here. So leg higher, let's see. Yeah, US dollar Mexican peso, because and then later maybe I will I will decide if I will go long here on US dollar versus the Mexican peso or on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. So also like this. Yeah. One moment, guys. So maybe here, but unfortunately 1 2 3 here as well. Only maybe here after after it will make a valid breakout above the immediate downtrend line, I will look for something for potential opportunities, or yeah, only maybe if the price will make a valid breakout here, I will look for potential longs here on US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Let's go back. US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, it's still there. Yeah. So why I want a valid breakout here, because as I said, if I will decide to place a buy stop here, okay, pending order, right, the price could jump higher, and as I said, I need to hide my stop loss here right now, okay, and if it makes only false breakouts here and then it could come back down, yeah, I don't know, it's risky. That's why I want something like this, yeah, and I will look for longs here and I will place my stop loss here, and yeah, maybe I will be able to manage it differently or something, okay. US dollar, South African rand. No, it's at resistance. No, I will not do anything here. US dollars, Singapore dollar as well here. No, I will not do anything here. Yeah, please take a look. Opinion Euro USD. Let's take a look, and then I will take a look on Japanese yen. So as I said, and in my opinion, as long as it stays below the pivot point, below the uptrend and the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, the bias remains bearish, in my opinion. Okay, but I don't have a setup right now here on Euro versus the US dollar. Let's take a look here. No. Okay, yen basket again, and then I will decide if I will go long on US dollar Mexican peso or on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. So please guys, don't forget to like this video here. It will be helpful for me into the YouTube algorithm, and also it will be highly appreciated. So about the yen basket, in my opinion, the pressure is high, the bias is bearish here on this index on yen basket, and potential deeper drop here could force the yen to depreciate versus its rivals. So let's take a look. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a long opportunity here. And if the yen basket will jump higher, this market could drop. I will keep an eye on this on these markets. Euro, Japanese yen. Yeah, today I was looking at something like this here in euro versus the Japanese yen, but I will I'll hide this this setup, potential setup, for now. only because maybe I would like to see here like a value breakout, yeah, test retest after closing above 137.99 before extending its growth. Yeah, here on Euro, Japanese yen. So that's why I don't want to trade potential breakouts. Yeah, I want to see something else before I'll decide to go long. British pound versus the Japanese yen. No, I don't have something like a potential setup here. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Here the price action on the Australian dollar, Japanese yen has Dow Jones analysis. Yeah, I've talked about the Dow Jones. I will maybe take a look again. So here on the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, it has signaled, the price action signaled that maybe we'll have a sell-off. Okay, so let's go back yen basket. And also, yeah, as long as it stays above 8,042, I don't know, and the potential new rally here could signal, yeah, that the Japanese yen could appreciate versus its rivals, could appreciate. Okay, yes, potential growth could signal. Could bring us potential rally here, but yeah, here personally I would have liked to see this, okay, before going long on the Japanese yen, okay, before shorting Euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen, yeah, because as long as it stays here, it could only test retest before going down, and this scenario could bring me Japanese yen shorts. Okay, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Now here I don't have something because it's at support, former lows. But here let's use an ascending pitchfork here, 1, 2, and 3. So as you can see here, it has reached the medium line, retreat, rally towards the upper medium line, sell off, and right now something like this here, a descending pitchfork. And here this line, this uptrend line. But personally I would like to see something like this here, test retest, yeah, for the price to increase a little, to sell a potential rebound here, test retest of the ascending pitchfork, yeah, because right now here I don't want to sell it, maybe here right above the median line of the descending pitchfork. Okay, I would like to see something like that. So that's why I don't want to trade when I don't have a setup, a great setup, a high probability trade. So if the price will test retest here, maybe I'll have a setup to trade here, and of course to go short, but only if the yen basket will develop a larger growth, a potential upwards movement. Also here we could have a potential let's see if we'll draw 1, 2, and 3 here. One moment. 1, 2, 3. Now here it has jumped above the descending pitchfork's upper medium line. No, I don't have a high probability trade right now. So Euro USD, and then I will take a look again to see if I have an opportunity. No, on US dollar Swiss franc, or on the US dollar Swiss franc. or on the US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Yeah. Now, a potential setup here on US dollar versus the Mexican peso is far from being confirmed. That's why maybe I will have something here, but maybe only next week, maybe on Monday. Because as long as the price continues to stay below this line, after its failure to retest it, it could signal that the pressure is high in the short term. The sellers are still strong. That's why I would like to see, I don't know, sideways movement, very breakout, and then yeah, to look for potential potential longs. Yeah. So US dollar, Swiss franc. So Dow Jones analysis, US 30. One moment, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, as I've said about the US 30, I don't have something right now here because yeah, maybe it's too late to sell it here around these former lows. Okay, so yeah, the only trade right now could be here on this market on US on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, but unfortunately, as you can see here, it has registered only false breakout. That's why maybe I'll wait for confirmation here, yeah, before developing a new leg higher. I would like to see this, yeah, temporary drop, something like this, or if the price will make a value breakout here, yeah, something like this. Okay, Ethereum plunged after that sell-off registered by Bitcoin, and as you already know, when the price of Bitcoin drops, the altcoins could drop as well. So yeah, strong sell-off. It remains to see how it will react here around 26.51, right above the uptrend line. I will keep an eye on this cryptocurrency, and maybe if I'll have something, but the bias is bearish, and of course. Personally, I have also something like a confluence area here, okay, and yeah, I don't know, a valid breakdown through this confluence area, valid breakdown here could signal larger downside movement. And as I've said about Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin could drop deeper, so maybe Ethereum will make a valid breakdown here and could drop deeper as well, but right now I'll wait for confirmation, and only, I don't know, test, retest, false breakdowns here, false breakdowns, great separation could signal potential rebound or something, right? Something like this. US oil, right? Okay, I forgot about US oil. So US oil, personally, yeah, sorry, maybe I'll have something here on this market. One moment. Maybe I will delete, or actually, let's see if we have something around, yeah, 150% Fibonacci line, this line. And in the short term, guys, so it has jumped above the downtrend line here, sell off here, a new breakout, retest here, and right now it has jumped above the upper medium line again, but unfortunately here it has registered only a false breakout above 109.0505. So that's why I would like to see in the short term something like this. Test, retest, sideways movement, and the new higher high could signal an upside continuation here in US oil. Okay, so this could be a potential setup for me as well. Yeah, in US oil. In US oil, let's take a look again on silver. Now it's there, but unfortunately this candle, maybe it has invalidated a potential upside scenario, so I will keep an eye maybe only on US oil. I will keep an eye on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. I will keep an eye on US dollar versus the Mexican peso, and I will come back maybe with a potential trade, yeah, later, or only for the VIP members, of course, because personally, yeah, Orlando sent a free trade today for the free group, so no, I will share my trades only into the VIP group, yeah, and yeah, but unfortunately it has registered this false breakout here, right? So I will keep an eye on this market, and maybe I will share my trade. And also here it could be too late. That's why I would like to see a valid breakout, test, retest, okay? Because it could be too late maybe to place a buy stop here, right below this former high, right below the weekly R2, yeah, right below 0.9901 or something. So that's why, yeah, I will come back later, guys, with a potential trade here on this market. If I'll decide to place a buy stop here, or if the price will make a valid breakout, or if the price will come back down before jumping higher or something. So yeah, but don't worry, even if we didn't open it a trade during this live session, it is important to wait for high probability trades, guys, okay? Thank you, guys, once again. See you next week on Monday, on Tuesday, and don't forget that when I have a high probability trade, I will share my trades with you guys. I will share my trades into the VIP group. Okay, don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.